Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Hi guys, this is Miss Simpler Regina, and today's video I'm going to do the unboxing, and hopefully you will like it. And I'm gonna show you what is this for like. Thank you. So as you had seen on my vlog, the reason why I like this flat is because my kitchen is beautifully made, and the layout, I like the layout very much, plus the countertop. Here's the countertop, and at the same time I can transform this into a mini bar, so I will show you now. So guys, are we ready? Because I am so excited. So this is a box. It's a big box, right? But it's very light really, so I'm so curious what's inside, like, because it's a big box. What's, oh my god, it's very light. Oops. So let's start doing the unboxing. And oh, nearly hit me. What shall I do with this one? Maybe I have to put them back. I'm bad of unboxing. Oh. Help! I need someone. A strong one. A stronger one. A stronger person to open this box. I don't know what to do. I'm just afraid that I might hit my feet. Here. I suppose we have to break this. That we. I'm getting tired. Jesus Christ, what can I do with this? This one, that's the way it is. It should be. Oh God. There you go. Now, are we ready? Oh, so finally, this is it. How simple. Oh my god. What? Is this all? I don't have a screw. So this is, it's not nice, no? It is nice. This is what you call it? A glass of wine, a glass wine rack. But I was expecting that they have a screw here. So how can I manage this? So this is it, guys. Let me try. We will try another one. I wanna put something here. But I wonder, it didn't have a screw. There should be a screw that the same color as this brass. Are you sure? Oh, so there is. Thank God. Right. Sorry. Have to be careful. Can you show me? Yes. So this is it, right? It's so beautiful. We'll get another one. How it looks like. We make 3. Yes. Yes. Just try this. Yeah. No. Because it said it's 6 pieces. I can put 6 pieces in it. Show me. Just, oh my God. Isn't it dainty? Beautiful? Oh God, and I put it, I hang it in there. Wait for the transformation. So they said it's 6. I can put 6 in it. So I will see. I'll get more. So 3. 2, 6 now, isn't it? 2, 4, 5. Anyway, 5 would do. So at least they're not close to each other. Yeah, give us space, or else it will be dangling broken then. Oh, now. So beautiful. Once it hung on there, oh, it will be a dramatic. And I will invite my friends to come over and have a glass of wine after work. Sure, why not? It's life, you know. You have to enjoy yourself after work. There's life after work, you know. So yeah. No, I'm so excited. I'm waiting for my colleague. I'm waiting for my colleague to help me to hang on this one because I have no one else to ask. So hopefully when he's going back to work, yeah, you know who you are. So let's do the work in my flat studio. And hopefully you will fix it properly. I trust you. Anyway, so guys, ito yun. Tagalog na nga. So ito sila, di ba cute tignan? Kasi maghahang na siya doon. Tapos, oh my God, I just imagine, and then a new chandelier on the ceiling, the light, and it will reflect everything, the light. So it will be dramatic. My studio, my flat studio. And soon, I'm going to buy. I've seen one in the shopping mall. They're selling a glass wine rack. So, and it's the same color, brass gold color. So hopefully when I go back next time, because I'm still working tomorrow. So hopefully when I'm on my off, I'm going back there. Hopefully there's still a stock, or else I feel sorry for myself, you know, because I wish I bought it the other day because there were only 3 stocks left. So but I just want to make it sure first. I just want to make it sure that this color is matched with the rock wine. So yeah, it matches. So please God. So thank you very much. I hope you like it, guys. So let's wait the transformation, and when one of my friends will come over to fix this one, to hang them together, and it will be lovely. And I will invite you to my home, sweet home, flat studio with Regina Marie, with Simply Regina. All right, so see you around. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Drink. Hello, come, let's have a drink. I serve you Baileys or Bacardi, Oakhart with Coke, or Jameson with Coke, or Guinness, name it. I have it. I prepare it for you. Thank you.